Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI videos in Claude using the Higgsfield AI MCP. First, open the Higgsfield AI website and click on the MCP and CLI option. Copy the MCP URL provided there. Next, open Claude and go to Settings Connectors, then click Add Custom Connector. In the name field, enter Higgsfield AI MCP, paste the URL you copied earlier, and click Connect. You'll then be prompted to sign in. Simply sign in with your Higgsfield account, and that's it. Claude and Higgsfield AI are now connected. Now, let's create our first video. I'll upload a reference video, which Claude will analyze and use as the basis for generating a new one. As soon as I upload the reference, Claude asks for permission to search for connectors, explaining that it needs a tool that isn't connected yet. I simply click Allow to let it proceed. Once permission is granted, Claude loads the video generation tool and prepares to create a similar video with a different subject while preserving the same visual style. Claude then asks whether I want to use Higgsfield to generate the video, and I reply, yes, use Higgsfield. Next, Claude asks me to define the subject while keeping the same warm, cinematic, glowing embers aesthetic. It even suggests a few examples, such as a character walking through ruins or a dancer with sparks trailing behind them. I describe my scene: a woman wearing flowing dark crimson and gold fantasy robes, standing in an ancient stone courtyard and summoning swirling tendrils of orange fire from her hands as her cloak billows dramatically, creating a dark fantasy atmosphere filled with cinematic VFX and mystical energy. Claude then goes into sleuthing mode and shows that it wants to use the generate_video function from the Higgsfield MCP. It displays all the parameters, including the model and the complete prompt it's about to send. I simply click Allow to continue. At this point, Claude officially connects with the Higgsfield MCP and starts executing the generate_video function to bring our scene to life. After a few seconds, Claude informs me that the generation will cost 20 credits and asks if I want to continue. I confirm by replying, yes, generate it. And here's our final result: a stunning 10-second 16:9 cinematic video generated using the Kling 3.0 model with audio. It features our woman in dark crimson and gold robes, summoning swirling fire in an ancient stone courtyard, perfectly matching the dark fantasy scene we described. For our second example, let's try the Storm Giant preset. Claude goes into honing mode and calls the preset's _show function from the Higgsfield MCP to display all the available presets. A gallery appears with different options, including baseball game, drift racing, 3D breakdown animation, and many more. Let's select the Storm Giant preset and see what Claude creates. Claude then asks how I want to provide the starting image, and I choose to upload a photo. Entering crystallizing mode, Claude calls the media_upload widget function from the Higgsfield MCP and requests an image upload for the Storm Giant preset. I simply click Allow to continue. Claude explains that it can't upload files directly from its sandbox because of network restrictions, so it asks me to use the Upload widget instead. I upload the photo through the widget, and once the upload is complete, Claude confirms that it has received the media ID needed to generate the Storm Giant video. Here's the result: a 15-second 16:9 video with audio, generated using the Seedance 2.0 fast model. It transforms the single uploaded photo into a dramatic Storm Giant animation featuring a massive crashing wave brought to life. Now, let's download both videos and take a look at the final previews. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is to generate stunning AI videos in Claude using the Higgsfield MCP integration, whether you're creating a video from a custom prompt or using one of the built-in presets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.